Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are having trouble logging into your Facebook on Safari on your iPhone, you are not alone. Whether it's a login error or a page that keeps reloading or Facebook that just won't let you sign in, it can be quite frustrating, but fortunately there are some simple steps that you can follow in order to resolve these issues. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Facebook login problems on Safari, and I will walk you through a few troubleshooting tips to get things working again. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. So before we diving into any kind of complex fixes, let's make sure that the issue isn't related to your internet connection. Sometimes when the internet connection is weak or intermittent connection can actually prevent Facebook from loading properly. So you need to check that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data connection is actually stable. You can also try loading other websites in Safari to confirm that your internet connection is working. For example, if I am using Facebook, if I tap on this tab and if I just open a new tab here, you can just search for any other website here, for example Yahoo, and check how the internet connection is in the other websites. If your internet connection is weak, you can try moving closer to your router, or you can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. So once your internet connection is actually stable, you can try login into your Facebook account again and see if you are able to log in or not. Now, if Facebook isn't actually loading properly, the next step is to actually clearing Safari's cache and browsing data. This can actually fix the issues relating to the corrupted files or cookies that are preventing the login process. So in order to do it, you need to open the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the Safari option here. You can even use the search bar in the top and search for Safari in this list. Now once you are able to find it, you just have to scroll all the way down, and here you will be able to see the option of clear history and website data. You need to tap on this option, and now it is going to ask you to clearing the history. So you need to tap on clear history again, and this is going to delete your browsing history, your cache files, cookies, which could be causing any kind of login issues within the Facebook application. Now once this step is done, you need to go back in your Safari web browser and you need to try to log in into your Facebook account and see if you are able to log in or not. Now another common causes of login issues in Safari might have cookies disabled, which are actually required for login into Facebook. So in order to set that up, you need to again come into the settings of your device, and then you need to just try to find Safari. Now once you are in your Safari settings, you just have to scroll down, and here in your privacy and security section, you need to block all of the cookies and you need to just turn that toggle button off. So you need to check if prevent cross website tracking is also turned on. While it is useful privacy feature, it can actually sometimes interferes with the login into the service certain websites like Facebook. So you can try turning it off to see if it actually resolves the issue. You can also try updating Safari in your iOS device. For that, in your settings, you just have to go to general tab, and here in general you just have to go to software update. Over here you need to check if there is any update available. If you see any update, you just have to simply update to the latest version, and this can also help you in logging into your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.